Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Spotify black screen on your settings. So just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Spotify app here in this window. You just go down to find Spotify app, you click here on Spotify, then you come to next window here like you say, you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go, so you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.